Oh, last day of 2018. Oh my god. So hey guys, it's Colin Ratmania here and we're at Edinburgh again. It's Edinburgh Airport today. So it's a very good view and it's the last day of 2018. I'm really excited. So basically like he was plane spotting. We're even at the wrong gate. Like, oh, a plane just took off. And did you see it? Yes. It's right up there. So like every sort of airline is here. That's really good. So in a minute I'll be heading off to my gate. So anyway, it's a lovely view from here, isn't it? So anyway, please subscribe and like the button and hit that notifications bell because this is lovely. Please subscribe, just please subscribe. So anyway, it's great, it's cool. So we're going back to London Stansted in a minute. Yeah, I'm right now. So bye bye.